Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. There is no shortage of stairway design ideas to make your stairway a charming part of your home. From grand staircase and warm traditional styles to contemporary and industrial. The most important thing to remember is that stairs are not just conduits between different areas of the house. They also play an important role in setting the feel and look of your home. A well designed stairway can transport a contemporary living room back to the Victorian era or create a warm welcome at the entryway. So, as you focus on the functional part, do not forget the decor and aesthetics. We have a few stairway designs to make your boring stairway come to life. Learn how to use railing, carpeting, lighting, and color to create a unique style. Taking up the largest surface area, the floor of the stair set the look of your stairway. There are various style options depending on your budget, the level of maintenance you are looking for, and your decor preferences. In this video, you will find few stairway ideas for the floor to get you started. Carpeting. Carpeting gives the stairway an extra dose of warmth and coziness. It can also help in reducing noise when people are going up and down. If you have kids, carpeting acts as an extra safety feature in case they fall. The main carpet ideas to choose from: full carpeting or stair runners. Full carpeting covers every inch of the stairway floor. It comes in handy if the stair flooring is not too appealing. If your stairway have a bit of wear and you don't want to do a full remodel, full carpeting will cover the aging. On the downside, a full carpet is harder and more expensive to install. Talk about the cost with your contractor before you begin. Carpet runners. Leave the edge of the stair visible. Runners are ideal when you don't want to fully cover your beautiful stairway. Runners will add some warmth without hiding the flooring. Runners are easier and cheaper to install. If you are handy with home improvement projects, you can even install a runner yourself. Most homeowners opt for boldly patterned runners to add details and texture to an otherwise neutral space. Find a unique pattern that blends in with the surrounding decor but still draws the eyes towards the staircase. You can also opt for neutral, non-patterned carpeting if you want a plain, minimalist style. This is also where you can add some interest with texture. If you don't want to cover your stairway but don't want to leave it plain either, try a hand at illusions. With some creativity and a pro help, you can transform your plain stairway into anything you want. One popular trick is to create a runner illusion. The stairs are painted such as they look like they have a carpet runner on them. They can also go full artsy and create a movie or natural scene on the stairway. This can be especially handy for long staircase as the art provides a distraction from the long journey. Next to the riser and tread, the railing is next most important part of a stairway. Its primary role is functional, providing people with an easy and safe way to go up and down the stair. It is also influenced the overall stairway and space decor. There are as many ideas for the railing as there are for the stairway flooring. They range from fun and unique nautical rope railing to clean contemporary glass and steel rails with dozens of other great stair railing ideas in between. Depending on the style and type of railing, there are several important components of a stairway rail. Mixing and matching among these components can produce a wide variety of unique styles. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern staircase designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior design, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. The spindlers or balusters take up most of the space. These are series of rods or column extending from the top rail to the bottom rail. The top rail is also called the handrail, an obvious reference to its role as the main hand support when going up or down the stairs. In traditional and country designs, wooden spindles are common. The spindles can either be plain, square, shaped into a descending spiral, or have a tapered ends. The advantage of wooden handrail is that they feel warm to the touch. Additionally, they wear well, getting smoother with the use. In addition, in contemporary decors, you are more likely to find metal using steel or iron spindles. These come in a wide variety of style from plain rod to intricate designs that are combine different shapes and patterns. In modern homes, the metal rods are made very thin and usually run parallel to the handrail rather than up and down. This creates a minimalist barely there look. For an even cleaner look, you can eschew spindles and use solid glass instead, but it will cost you a bundle. The top and bottom rail provide an opportunity to complement the style of the balusters. A common strategy to use metal spindles and wooden top and bottom rails. Most modern stairway ideas leave out the bottom rail to avoid a light blocking stairway. Other stairway handrail ideas include smooth aluminum, usually combined with solid glass railing, a rounded metal rail combined with metallic spindles, and all glass design where there is no distinct handrail. Some stairway designs also add a unique style to the nivels. The handrail support post at the start and end of the stairway. For instance, the nivels may consist of thick, distinctive wooden pillars with ornate patterns. They can also be simple metal rods that don't stand out much from the rest of the supporting post along the length of the stairway. Like most other components of a stairway, the lighting has both aesthetics and functional roles. Without proper illumination, going up and down the stairs can be a safety hazard, especially for the children and the elderly. The traditionally overhead light is often not possible because there is an undersurface above or the ceiling is too high. If you are looking for a way to flood the entire staircase with light, install a fixture on the wall of the stairway landing. Make sure it is bright enough to extend up to the top and bottom of the stairs. A more common strategy is using recessed lights. You can install recessed light along the wall of the stairway. Stagger the light in a way that lights up each tread properly. You can also add a common continuous LED strips recessed along the wall to ensure each spot on the stair is illuminated. Another place to locate LED strip is under the tread. This is possible only in certain stairway designs such as floating stair tread or where the tread extends slightly over the horizon. The underside lighting is a great way to illuminate the stairway without casting harsh light into people's eyes when going up or down the stairway. It also adds an eye-catching style to the staircase. If you are going for the wow factor, there are few stair lighting design ideas to borrow from. A unique one is to use multicolored LED strips that light up in different hues up the stairway. But be careful with this one has to create it gaudily nightclub feel. If you have a accessible ceiling above the stairway, add a series of hanging lights, making sure they are low enough to provide enough lighting. Friends, hope you like this video on modern staircase design ideas, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in from the link in the description box below. You can also follow us on social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. Hope you like this video, and for more such video keep us subscribed, and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.